Physics Part 384. Well, the figure illustrates a hypothetical demonstration of the effect of a magnetic field on the three types of emissions. We see the alpha emission, beta emissions, and radiation. The direction of magnetic field is perpendicularly into the page. Radiation is uncharged and is not deflected by the magnetic field because A particles and A alpha particles and B beta particles have opposite charges. They are deflected in opposite directions. Note that the deviation of the alpha particle is less than that of the beta particles, and that alpha particle all deviate by the same amount. Beta particles, by contrast, have a range of reflections, indicating that they have a range of energies, and then they deflect accordingly. Deflection of alpha particles, beta particles, and radiations raised by a magnetic field into the page. Radioactive decay series. The daughter nuclide of a radioactive decay may itself be unstable and so may emit radiation to give another different nuclide. This sequence of radioactive decay from parent nuclide through succeeding daughter nuclei, I beg your pardon. This sequence of radioactive decay from parent nuclide through succeeding daughter nuclides is called a radioactive decay series. The series ends when a stable nuclide is reached. Part of such a radioactive decay series, uranium series, is shown in the table. 238 uranium reacts 234-90 thorium, 42 helium plus 00 radiation. The radiation emitted is alpha and radiation. 234-90 thorium reacted 234-91 Pa plus 0 minus 1 E plus 00 radiation. Radiation emitted is beta particles and radiation. 234-91 Pa, 234 reacted 234-92 U plus 0 minus 1 E 00 radiation as radiation emitted beta particles and radiation. 234-92 uranium reacted 230-90 thorium plus 42 helium plus 00 radiation. Radiation emitted alpha particles, radiation. 230-90 thorium reacted 226-88 radium plus 42 helium plus 00 radiation. Radiation emitted alpha particles, radiation. 226-88 Ra reacted 222-86 Rn plus 42 helium. Radiation emitted alpha particles. 222-86 Rn reacted 218-84 Po plus 42 helium. Radiation emitted alpha particles. So this is where we tell you a lot about the radioactive decay series and provide them in a table. Next we have detecting radioactivity. Some of the methods used to detect radioactive emissions are based on ionizing properties of the particles or radiations, and we call them Geiger counter. The figure illustrates a Geiger-Müller tube with a scaler connected to it. When radiation enters the window, it creates ion pairs in the gas in the tube.